Every student nurse desires to become registered nurses someday, but this can only be achieved once they have passed the nursing licensure examination. This serves as a first step in reaching the dream and goal of every nursing student. Indeed, the students have gone through a lot of exposures and experiences both in the clinical area and classroom settings. Something scares us the moment we hear the word board examination. This scare leads to stress which every student has to bear during these exams. A student who is appearing for a board exam is always a victim of parental as well as peer pressure. Parents pressure their children thinking that they should get admission in the best college, and students pressure themselves to score better than peers. All this tension and anxiety ultimately leads to restlessness, agitation, and depression among various student nurses. Students generally don't realize that it is very important to keep mental calm during these exams to yield best results. We should not forget the fact that only good health can help in the best performance. The Philippine Nursing Licensure Exam is a 500-item multiple choice exam to test basic nursing level competency, which considers the objectives of the nursing curriculum, the broad areas of nursing and other related disciplines, and competencies. It is held every July and December annually in various public schools throughout the Philippines. Room assignments for the exams are posted outside the Professional Regulation Commission building at least 3 days before the examination. This licensure examination is important for nurses to be able to get their license and be legal nurses. But before that, they should accomplish at least several requirements and prerequisites in order for them to take the board examination. Other than that, student nurses must also be prepared physically and emotionally and to identify some factors that will serve as barriers in taking the board examination. Students are required to submit themselves into the measures or means in order for them to take the board exam and to avoid any difficulties while preparing for the things needed.